Brakes off, in gear. Give it a bit of gas, brother. Just a smidge.
There we go.
She'll just roll off down the track.
Oh, that's beautiful. There's something magic about that.
There is, mate.
As soon as the steam goes through.
Especially if you got running cold too, you get that nice sweet smell.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh yeah.
Brakes are working fucking hits at the moment too. Thank you, Jen.
Pleasure's all mine.
Thank you, Jen.
Well done, Rodney.
Just throws the switch.
Simple stuff, mate. You know, and it's like 250-year-old technology, mate. It's still going like the fucking dream, mate. You know what I mean? Like the boiler down there, the red one.
Yeah.
And the regulator, like lubricator up here.
Yeah.
And it's just a little puff of steam every 18 seconds or something like that. And so it drops to the bottom, pushes the oil up, one drip at a time, just enough for the go through the regulator.
It's incredible. I took pieces of steel and they fit them all together so that they all do things and rely on each other.
All work as a team.
Yeah.
Nice rhythmic, something nice and rhythmic, mate, you know.
That's awesome, mate. Love it.
And you know, if there's some other noise, either the rhythmic noise, brother, there's something going on. It'll tell you straight away, mate. See, I'll lop off the steam there. I'll get on the injector over here. You're right. Listen for it to pick up. Injector on.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Then I'll chuck a little bit of brake on. Just let him ride down the hill on the brakes, brother.
Oh, beautiful, mate.
Because you're not using any steam going down. That's why we use the injector when we're going down.
Okay. Recirculates it.
Yeah, and then just use whatever steam, you know, you use. Get down the bottom, wait for 5 minutes until your steam comes up again because your water's already full. So I'll let him get to about at 140. A little bit of sand maybe. Today's a bit fucking slippery. It's coming out of it.
Up again.
This is your main hop up, this is your main hill right here. So you try and put a little bit of sand down on your way down. So it's there on your way back, you know. This is where Graham made me learn. Right, coming up this way up the hill, and we had full load on. 2 carriages, not with any people, this is winter time.
Yeah.
So 2 carriages and the water carriage on. Said stop here. Right, if you spin the wheels, you fail. On the takeoff, and it was like fucking 3 degrees, man. It was freezing cold. It was fucking rain was coming sideways. Got him off the mark. He goes, now that's fucking impressive, you know. Nothing impresses Graham, mate. Nothing.
Fast with flying colours, mate.
Fast with flying colours, brother. It's all quiet at the moment. 2 points done all the shings and stuff like that in the running gear.
A lot quieter than last time, yeah. Yeah.
Nice and quiet, mate. So you can cut it off there.
Yeah, we're picking up again.
Yep. Brakes off. Let him ride down. You hear when the hippies were here, or all the hippies were here, you know?
Oh, really?
All the greenies.
The
mate.
greenies.
And they're all parked, with their fucking cars parked right here, and then straddling over the track, you know, those pop-out campers off the top. And you're going, guys, can you see this railway track here? They're going, yeah, we didn't think it was used in you. They're going, well, I don't know what they're getting upset about in the first fucking place. And they're making it out like it's my fault. You're going, guys, you parked your fucking four-wheel drive in the middle of a fucking train track, mate.
Yeah.
They're going, well, what do you want to do? Move your fucking car, mate. You know, you want me to drive a train through the fucking thing or what?
Used to get the same thing, people parking in bus stops, mate.
Yeah.
Stick their finger up at you and go, yeah,
Make out like it's your fault.
20-ton bus will beat a 1-ton car every time. I'll just nudge you out of the spot, mate.
In a 6 3/4 train with the fucking 3 tons on the back, we'll go straight through your front window, mate.
Yeah. I met the guys that have bought this house over here.
Yeah.
It was out there this morning working hard.
Where are they? Yeah, there she is.
On it. What I'll do now is I'll give them a stir. I'll jump out of the way for 2 seconds. Down here. You can come around here and have a look if you want.
Yeah.
I'll give them a stir to clear the grate bottom. The grates get blocked up.
Oh, I see. So it gets the air circulating again.
Circulating right. Did you turn it over already? Yeah. So you turn it over now, and then you wait for me to come back and pass through the point, and then flick it back over. Be about 5 or 7 minutes, so don't rush, brother.
Yeah, it's like you said, the technology of today just doesn't have that same voice about it. It doesn't have that same character. It doesn't have the same soul to it, does it?
No soul, mate. Hey.
No
That's
soul
your
to
blower
it.
up there. They can control your air. So that'll blow steam over in your chimney over your exhaust. So it creates more suction, more air going through your fire.
Yeah.
The hotter your flames get. So you can turn it right up. Usually just keep it nice and see now I've cleared the grates. Every 2 minutes you'll get probably 5 pounds.
Yeah, yeah.
But on days where you got wet wood, brother,
Takes a while.
Takes
a while.
Drives you mental, mate. And you'll stand here for fucking half hour and you'll get 10 pounds, mate. And that's it. And if you chucking wood in there like crazy,
Just not getting hot.
just not getting hot, mate. And you just stand there and you go, fucking, you see people going, what's going on? What steam train and we got damn wood, mate. You know what I mean?
That's where they changed the coal in the end, wasn't it?
Well, he ran on all coal at the start.
Because if coal gets wet, it doesn't really matter.
No. And you think back in the day they would have had him fucking overloaded to the shit house. This would have been full of coal because when you run coal, you open this fucking door, mate, and the flames are just fucking shooting out of here like a jet plane, mate, you know?
Like, where's the remnants of their coal pit?
It's up the, that's the old coal pits, I think, up there, that area up the top there.
Did the miners also have a coal pit to make their own in emergency?
Well,
In
probably,
Colour,
yeah.
yeah?
Yeah, probably.
I'm
There's
sure they would have.
their deposit around here somewhere. Has to be. Has to be.
But they would have.
Because the coal from here is
What I mean by coal pit is basically they could chuck green logs in the big pits, line it up, make their own. Worst case scenario.
yeah, that's charcoal there. Yeah.
It still works, I think.
No, quite, but you still get people dropping bags of their charcoal off, mate. You know, they'll burn it all home and bring it in.
Oh yeah, it used to work in pits for the miners.
And
I'd-
we've used it here, mate, and it does well, but it's just gone too quick, mate, you know.
Yeah, I use it in my fireplace. Anything left over, charcoal, you put it in a bucket and use it to burn it.
I built my house on top of the coal in the fireplace,
Yeah.
and I chucked some chunks in there around the bloody firelighter.
They work fucking good,
One
man.
firelighter, mate. It's all
Yeah,
takes.
yeah.
They work good, that fucking coal, man. Especially, you know, and you chuck it in this, you chuck one shovel in, and you can watch the gauge go like this, mate, just lifting, mate, and you're going, fucking hell. So what, they would have had it full as a goog, mate, back in the, back in the day when they were running.
Yeah.
They would have had him overloaded to the shit house, mate, and just had fucking 10, 15 tons hanging off him, and just wide open, mate, you know. Rightio. You see how hot it is in there now, Karen?
Good. Oh yeah. Oh, you can feel that. Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah.
Just try and keep nice and steady. Rightio, jump up, big fella. We're ready to roll. All right, Rodney. Way up. See how fast she's going up now.
Yeah. Oh
Mate,
yeah.
up.
Oh bloody hell, that just
So
jumped.
it's gone from 120 to
120 to
160
160.
in about 7 minutes, 8 minutes, you know. Which is, mate, it's fucking so annoying when it's cold, wet wood, mate. So it breaks off. Piston cock's open. There's your piston cock down there. That'll release any condensate up and down like that. Closed, open. That'll release any condensate out of your pistons while you're sitting there. Because, as you know, water's not compressible. You got water in there, brother, you're going to have problems. In gear, 1, 2 to go.
Oh, that delicate touch.
It's only
Man, those
that,
is
that
the
far,
thing.
mate, flat out the bloody.
I have the same thing on my little steam engine at home. Just the slightest adjustment, and I love to get it into that point where it's just purring along, you know.
Just that sweet spot, mate, you know.
Yeah, sweet spot.
Sweet spot, mate. You're always looking for it. Because Rodney's new, you know, you're looking at your points. You're always looking at your points anyway to make sure they're the right fucking way.
If they're the wrong way, you'll be derailed pretty quick, mate.
Certainly do, brother. See, I can close the piston box now.
Okay.
Rightio, rock and rod. Yeah, mate. Where? Beautiful. Good work, brother. Hey, guys. Here we go. Summertime, brother, you're trying not to modulate the fucking the accelerator not too much.
Yeah.
Because you know you got the spark arrestor, that's the big angle thing on the chimney there.
Yeah.
It's not 100%, mate. They never were, you know.
There were
So-
rumours that what caused the fire here.
And the ash pan.
Yeah.
Because the ash pan had a hole in it.
Ah.
So, yeah, and that's what it was.
Ah well.
And it's not 100%. And if you're on the fucking gas on and off, you'll get spark ups coming out of the chimney all the time, you know.
Yeah.
So just keep it nice and steady, and let the arrestor do its work. Because it's like a cyclone effect. It'll spin them around until they go out, you know.
I never knew why it was that shape. That just explains it perfectly. That conical shape. Yeah.
It'll get the cyclone effect going in it, and it'll put them at it's supposed
While
to
they're going around, it puts them out. Yeah. Lets them burn out.
They get out the top.
Look at that. That's awesome.
When you've got a full load on there, a couple of full carriages, man, you can really hear them going. Just here it'll be going. Boop, 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 really giving it, mate, you know.
Ah, she's flying now.
Cruising, mate.
Yeah. Feel that hill?
Yeah.
beautiful, mate.
You'd have the house just down here, wouldn't you?
Ah,
And just wake up to that every fucking morning.
I've been thinking about it.
Hey?
I've been thinking about it.
These he owns that down there. Wolfie.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What wheel these are?
And all this. It's all Wolfie's, I think, as well.
That's a nice piece of land.
Nice piece of land, mate. Hey, you got a nice little stream going down through it.
Little shack down the bottom there. Yeah, I'm getting a bit fed up with the road noise on that, and the construction noise over there where I am. It's
All day fucking long, wouldn't it?
mate, just does my head in. Really does.
I can believe that, man. The outside, over our side's not too bad. We're over, right over the other side of you, basically, you know.
Yeah,
Quiet down there, man. The only fucking...
you just get the train noise through there when they load in the train, don't you?
we used to be there at Primrose.
Yeah.
But we're further down there. You don't get much of a noise off them, you know.
Yeah, I mean, generally it's pretty good. Like, it's just that the construction noise. And I rang him the other day and said, oh, you know, it's supposed to be finished in February, you told me.
Yeah.
How much longer? And he goes, oh, probably June or July. We run into shortages and things. And I just went, mate, you're full of shit. You're full of shit.
Full of shit.
You just tell me what I want to hear, don't you, mate? He's like, oh, well, have to.
Pretty much have to, mate. Yeah.
Look at that, a few people turned up.
Yeah. Always the way.
Oh, it's good. They see it running. I think they pull in.
Yeah.
I always have a look when I go past.
Nice and easy 3 points. And if you want to give them a show, because people want to see it. Hey, that's what people expect, mate. You know, the steam popping out everywhere.
That's it. I used to sit on Hornsey Station in Sydney there,
Yeah.
and the 3801 would come through, and the whole place would go back to 1860, 1880. It was just incredible. The whole place went back in time.
Just takes you back in time. Then you see some of the pictures they got in there, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Off down that street there,
Yeah.
where we just were.
Yeah.
And they got all the Victorian garb on, they're all fucking milling around with their fucking parasols and whatever else.
Those were the days.
Not bad, mate, not bad.
Those were the days, mate. Awesome. Thank you so much for that.
You're right, Kieran, mate.
Absolutely beautiful.
They didn't charge you, did they?
I donated
There you
$10.
go, mate. There you go. Oh, up on.
There we go.
Just like that, brother. All done.
Thank you, sir. You're a genius and an engineer.
Thank you, Kieran. And you guys are keeping us open, eh? Always, mate.
Come down to Tulla, guys. Come down to Tulla and ride the wee Geordie. Good old Tassie.
Beautiful, mate.
Oh yeah.